Welcome, my dear all students. In this class, we are going to discuss the questions and answers related to Worksheet 7, Unit 7, Heat of Class 9. First one is choose the best answer. What will happen if no space left between two railway tracks? It will lead to accidents because solid, liquid, and gas all expands due to heat. During summer, definitely, railway track made up of iron may expand. If it expands, then it may deviate the railway track. So, during summer, the railway tracks always will expand and cause damage. This will be the answer. And Roger took two spears of same material with the same radius, but one is hollow while the other is solid. Both spears are heated to same temperature then. In this question, there won't be any information given whether the hollow spear is filled with gas or some other liquid. If no liquid or gas present inside the hollow sphere, then it will expand more than that of the solid sphere. Okay, but if there is no space inside, since we know the equation delta V by V proportional to T temperature, then expansion is same for both the spheres. But if the hollow sphere is filled with some other materials, gas or liquid, then the hollow sphere expands more than solid sphere. This will be the answer. But you know one thing, there won't be any material media inside hollow sphere. What are the phases of water that coexist in equilibrium at 273.16 Kelvin? Solid, liquid and gas. What is the temperature at which the pressure and volume of gas theoretically reaches 0 Kelvin? You strike out degree here because in Kelvin scale we should not use degree sign. We remove that. 1 gram of ice is mixed with 1 gram of steam by Sanjay. He found that its volume. We know ice at 0 degrees Celsius and steam at 100 degrees Celsius. Then definitely its volume will decrease. Change in state of matter happens when heat is added or removed. When heat is added to a substance, the molecules gain energy and vibrational energy. 32 degree Fahrenheit is the freezing point of water in Fahrenheit scale. Muller heated water up to its boiling point. Now its temperature is 373.15 Kelvin. Because it is in Kelvin scale at 273.15. Gas is measured with thermometer. Temperature is measured with thermometer. Say true or false. The degree of hotness or coldness of a body is called heat. The degree of hotness or coldness of a body is called temperature. This statement is false and change heat as temperature. Absolute temperature is the temperature at which the molecule of a substance have their lowest energy. Definitely true. The boiling point of water is 100 degree Fahrenheit. False. The boiling point of water is 100 degrees Celsius. The expansion due to heat is maximum in liquid. The expansion due to heat is maximum in gas. The statement is false. Water changes its states when there is a change in temperature. Yes, it is true. Short answers. If the temperature of a body is minus 40 degrees Celsius, then how much is its value in Fahrenheit scale? T degree Fahrenheit. We know the equation. T degree Fahrenheit is equal to T degree Celsius into 1.8 plus 32. You have to change the degree Celsius into Fahrenheit. So what is given? Minus 40 degrees Celsius. Substitute here minus 40 degrees Celsius. Then multiply these two values. Then you will get minus 72 plus 32. Then in Fahrenheit scale, minus 40 degree Fahrenheit. In Fahrenheit scale, minus 40 degree Celsius is equal to minus 40 degree Fahrenheit. Question number 17. The graph given below indicates temperature of a substance in Celsius and Fahrenheit. Identify the gradient of A and B. Whenever you come across the same type of question, you have to remember the equation of straight line. We know the equation of straight line y is equal to mx plus c. First, keenly observe what is given in this diagram and how the temperature scale varies. Okay, note down the point A and B. At minus 40 and 40, the point A is here, and at this point it is touching the x-axis at 32, 0, and here it is 212, 100. We know the relation between Celsius and Fahrenheit scale of temperature is C by 5 is equal to F minus 32 by 9 and C is equal to 5 by 9 into F minus 160 by 9. We know the equation of the straight line y is equal to mx plus c. Here m gives you the gradient or the slope of the line. So you compare these two equations, you keep this equation as 1 and this equation as 2 and compare these two equations, and for m related to 5 by 9 that is given here. The slope of the line AB is equal to AB. The slope of the line AB is m is equal to 5 by 9. That is given here. So the slope of line m is equal to 5 by 9. This is the answer. You copy down the answer as like this. Relation between Celsius and Fahrenheit scale of temperature is C by 5 is equal to F minus 32 by 9 and C is equal to 5 by 9 into F minus 160 by 9. Equating the above equation with the standard equation of line y is equal to mx plus c and the slope of the line AB is m is equal to 5 by 9. Question number 18. Assertion: the melting point of ice decreases with increase of pressure. Reason: ice contracts on melting. Both assertion and reason are true and the reason is the correct explanation of the assertion. Consider this picture. Inside it you are having ice. When you press with a piston, what will happen? Then the volume will decrease. You imagine that ice cubes are there. Take a piston and then press it. Then what happens to the volume? When you press again and again, then the volume will reduce. The melting point of ice decreases when the pressure increases because the volume is less, is it not? Because when the pressure is increased, volume is decreased and the volume of water is less than ice, and hence we can come to the conclusion that the melting point of ice decreases when the pressure increases, so that the melting point of ice decreases with increase of pressure because ice contracts on melting. Question number 19. Among A, B, C, D in the given graph, which one represents the condensation point of water? Look at this graph drawn between heat and temperature. A, B, C and D. Look at this point here. This point denotes a steady state. There won't be any change at all in this position. Condensation point is one at which conversion of vapor into liquid takes place or water vapor changes into water. Where it occurs at this point. We know condensation point and boiling point of water same. Condensation point is 100 degrees Celsius. Boiling point is also 100 degrees Celsius. So this point C denotes the condensation point. And question number B. Santhan makes a circuit as below and brings a lighted candle near the gap. What will happen to the circuit? When Santhan lights this candle and nearby to it the conductor is there. This conductor may expand due to heat. Look at the circuit. Here it is the battery and this circuit there is a gap and nearby to the gap Santhan lights this candle. The candle provides heat and the conductor expands and then this circuit will be closed so that you can hear the alarm sound because the circuit is closed. Then how to write the answer for this question? Copy this answer.